Hello and welcome to my Movingblocks tutorial. To get started you wanna type mb stick to get a stick. Then you can place your blocks which you want to animate. For example, I place these and these. Then you can right click them to select them, or right click them again to deselect them. Now you wanna press left click to create a frame if you have created an animation first. You're gonna do that by typing mb create and giving it a name. Now you can right click, and now that's your first frame in this animation. You can change it, right click again for another frame, and now if I run mb play, you will see it's animated. They will change. Now to stop it, type mb stop again, and this is just a preview. Like if you wanna play it forever, or like after a server restart, or if you are working on another animation, you have to type mb play global. Sorry, the animation name as well, global. Now it will play even after a server restart and while working on another animation. If you wanna work on another animation, you have to finalize it by typing mb finalize. Now you can start working on another one. And yeah, that's the basics so far. You can also add sound to it by using the mb sound command. Now I currently have deselected this one with the finalize, so I have to select it first, and now I could add sound to it if I wanted. For example, to the frame 0, so the first frame, could add, like, I don't know, this sound, and now as you will hear, it will play. And yeah, you can also remove it again and whatever you want. There are also some extra parameters you can use, like the radius or to play it global, so for anyone on the whole world. And yeah, that's one of the things you can do. You can disable it again if you want. So if it's disabled, it just won't play. Yeah, it's as easy as that. But that's not like stopping it global. If you want to stop it global, you just gonna type stop, and that will stop it. And yeah, then also there are some other stuff like info. You can just get an info on your animation. You can also use these quick actions. The paste button actually takes this and pastes it wherever you are standing at. So if I type paste here, it has been pasted here, and I of course need to play it to start it. Yeah, and I can stop it again. As you saw, this one has played as well, so the paste function is a bit buggy. I will have to fix it first, but it's not necessarily that you need to use it. You can just use world.edit to copy it and just create it again. Yeah, so much for that. Then, well, the multi-select, it's not necessarily anymore. You can just hold shift while you select blocks, and you can click here, first point, here, second point, and now you have selected all of them, like with world.edit, and now you can press like this to create a new frame, and then you can change it. You know the drill. And yeah, so much about that. Then I could also go deselect and deselect all the blocks I have selected so far. And well, there you can list them, everything you have currently on your world. Yeah, what else? You can preview certain frames of the animation if you want to. You would have to have one selected. I really don't. And yeah, then the speed. I already showed you that. You can change the speed. It's in ticks, so you will have to type in ticks. Like 10 ticks is a second, if I remember correctly. And yeah, that's that. You can rename it. Well, it's pretty clear what it does. You can protect it so no one who isn't OP can destroy the animation while it's running. Like if you want to have it in survival and don't have any other protection plugins, but it should also work very well together with World Guard or whatever else you want to use. If not, please just write a comment or contact me on Discord. It's the same name there, and I'm glad to help you. Pace frame, it does the same as pace, but just with one certain frame. Mode is also not really relevant right now, and yeah, I think that should almost be it.